so blessed. Today was, I can't even put it heartily in words, and that's really not me. There I go. What's up, ladies? Now that we have danced together, let's have a little conversation. The girls in STEM do rock. The energy in here was just off the charts amazing. And you know, I believe that the young women just wanted affirmation. They wanted to know that it was okay not to be okay. They wanted to know that they mattered, and to realize that just getting an education, that's one thing, but really knowing who you are and loving who you are and being who you are and being able to like strip off all of the fakeness. They just wanted someone to say it's okay, you know, and to be kind. So I'm so grateful for today. I am so grateful for Shelly inviting me here today, and for the girls in STEM and EOA, all of them just loving it. So thank you. It's been an awesome day. All right, so I want to talk to you about rising up and conquering your deepest fear. Every single one of you has a story. Every single one of you has a purpose. Every single one of you has meaning. And you need to believe that. I believe that every person can rise above their circumstances, push past abuse, adversities, accept every single challenge as it comes, to be the most resilient person that you know when you look in the mirror, and to commit to the life that God has designed specifically for you. Our deepest fear is not, read it together, is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? Keep going. I am beautiful. I am bold. I am gorgeous. I am a child of God. I am awesome. I am a serious sister in STEM.
It was really nice to hear somebody who's like really made it out there and who really overcame her obstacles, because that's what I'm trying to do.
Her words resonated with my life and what I'm going through, and the acceptance of my own self and my own abilities. When others accept me, I don't accept myself. And so her powerful story is impactful, it's creative, it's unique, and it's telling something no one else wants to tell, their story.
She like made it relate to us. Like everything that she said, she kind of brought it back so where we would understand it and it made sense, and we feel like we could really get the message clearer.
What I go through, no matter what adversity I go through, that I can always get through it as long as I have myself, I have my friends, I have my family, and that everything will be okay if I have myself.
I'm so pumped up for life right now.
Thank you so much, Dr. Patton.